I'm going to give you all a real world example. So this is the tree, and I'm the dog, and you would see him. I'll be looking out the window, and this clown is just going around the tree. And I'm like, what are you doing? And he's going around the tree, and of course, as he's going around the tree, the cord is getting shorter and shorter. I'm slow too. I open the window. Hey, go back around. Go back around the other way. Go that way. Don't go. And he's looking at me like, no, go around the tree. Don't go this way. Stop, sit, lay down. Hey, what are you doing? I'm screaming at the dog. So I'm giving him directions. I see what's coming. I see what's about to happen. And he's just going around, and I can see he's trying to figure out what I'm saying. So he kind of stops, and then he go back, and finally he's up on the tree like this. And he looking at me, hey. Now I'm mad for real, because now I got to go outside. Because I tried to tell you, quit going around the tree. Go the other way. Do what I'm telling you to do. But no, because you know why? Because the dog decided he was going to lean to his own understanding. This dog has gotten himself entangled in a situation that I saw coming. And I'm trying to warn him. You don't want these problems. As smart as he is, he's still a dog. And even though you're an intelligent dog, my thoughts are still higher than yours. Even though you thought you knew what you was doing. And it seemed like a great time at first. Now you got to look to somebody else to help you out of this situation. And I'm convinced that God looks at some of us the exact same way. God sees us going around the tree, and he's in the window. Hey, don't do that. And we like, and he like, hey, don't go over there. Don't sleep with her. Hey, don't accept that job. Do not buy that car right now. Hey, your credit score is 3. Stop it. God is telling us to stop doing stuff because he sees the end. He knows what's coming. But because we think we know what's best, we think we can figure it out, we think that our thoughts are better than his, we don't listen. And before you know it, you all up on a situation and you can't get out of it. And you like, Jesus, hey. Sounding just like Jazz was. And now, at the end of it, you want to ask God to step into your situation and help you out of it. When you could have just trusted him when he first told you to stop playing around with that, you could have listened then and avoided the whole situation. But we don't want to do that because we won't acknowledge that maybe, just maybe, he's smarter than us.